My parents said it looks like a nightie that you would go to sleep in, so yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rennie. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. So today on another episode of Bougie on a Budget, I'm going to be doing a TOPSHOP haul. If any of you know, and if any of you have shopped at TOPSHOP before, you know they're pretty expensive. So again, these are one of the stores that I like to shop on during their clearance sale because there's really no point of buying something full price if it's gonna go clearance, which is what everything does at TOPSHOP. The thing that I'll mention about TOPSHOP is their shipping. So the good thing is their shipping is free, but the bad thing is their shipping comes in batches because they're shipping from their actual stores rather than a warehouse. So one thing may be in Toronto, another thing would be in Mississauga, another thing may be in Brampton. So one day after I ordered, I got 3 of my items. In 4 more days, I got 2 more items, and then it just kept going on and on. So that's the problem with TOPSHOP. You won't get everything at once. If you don't care, obviously order from them. This is one of the few boxes that I got. It's actually from Hudson's Bay Company because TOPSHOP in Canada is within Hudson's Bay Company. First thing I got were actually a pair of boots. This was the most expensive item that I got, but they were a great deal. So I got a pair of Chelsea boots, and I've been looking for the perfect pair of Chelsea boots, and I think I finally found them. They're usually always sold out in my size because I wear an 8.5, 9, so that's a very popular size here. But I finally found them and they fit perfectly. These are the boots. I love them. I think they are beautiful. They fit perfectly for one. They're very comfortable. They were originally $140, but I got them for $58. So I think that's a great deal. Again, I like to buy all my winter clothes in the summer because this is when they're on sale. Of course, when it gets closer to winter or fall, they start going up in price. So this was the perfect time to buy this. Okay, so this is number 2. It is the square neck ribbed bodysuit, and it was only $14. It was originally $20, so it's not that big of a sale, but I tried it on. I really like it. I think it is a beautiful color against dark skin, and I just think that it fits right. There are some bodysuits that are uncomfortable, but this one fits really nicely. I really like the square neck, and I just decided to pair it with some pants that I got from Oak and Fort. I like to do color blocking, so this was the perfect item to do color blocking. And I think bodysuits give you a little something extra. You don't actually have to tuck in your shirt. It gives you a nice appearance of a flat stomach. So I really like how bodysuits look on me, and that's one of the reasons I chose to go with this. I'm very happy with this purchase. I got this in a US size 2 or a UK size 6. So this is item number 3. This is the Bustier Midi slip dress. I also like this, but I think I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. I got it in a size UK 10 or US 6, and I think it looks nice on my body except for the chest area, so I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. This one was $37.50, but it was originally $75, so it's 50% off. I think it's a pretty good deal if you guys are looking for a bustier dress, but personally I don't think it's for me. My parents said it looks like a nightie that you would go to sleep in, so yeah. But I really think it's a cute look, just not for me. So the next item is these mom jeans. So these are some jeans that I was very excited for. I actually asked on my Instagram which places are the best to buy jeans, and TOPSHOP came up multiple times. So I was really excited. They had a few sizes left, and the size, it was size 6. That is the size I usually wear, so I was really excited to receive it. And then when I got it, I figured out that it actually does not fit very well at all. Like, I was struggling to get it to even button it up. So I'm gonna give them to my sister, unfortunately. They do not pass the squat test at all. I feel like constricted by them. These are a great pair of jeans. They look great on my sister. They are the mom jeans in 34 inches, and I got a size 6. They were originally $70, but I paid $28, and they may be even cheaper right now. So I definitely suggest you go on the website and look for those. Okay, so this is the next item. It probably looks better in the picture that I'm gonna insert than right here. But this is the blue textured ballet wrap top. I like how it looked on me, but it's just very hard to tie up. The wrap part is a bit confusing. There are a lot of things that you're wrapping all around. It's just a lot to deal with. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. I don't want to struggle when I put on clothes. So yeah, I don't see myself keeping this one. This one was originally $38 and right now it's $19. It may be cheaper even right now. As I said, it was a good deal, but it's just not for me. I did decide to pair it with some jeans that actually fit because this is how jeans should look in my opinion. I know Fashion Nova is not the best. They steal from people, like they're very problematic, but one thing they do make is form-fitting good jeans for slim thick girls. Now I have the next item. This is the black pleated faux leather mini skirt. I really like this one. They also have a long one, a midi skirt, if you're interested in that. This one was originally $60 and now it's $36, so not quite the 50% off, but almost there. I'm sure it's cheaper right now. I really like this one, but my only problem is there's no elasticity in the waist, so it's a bit too big for me. I wish it could like form. I like to wear my skirts a little higher than my waist, like near my belly button basically, to create a fake waist. So this one can't exactly do that because the size of the waist is set, but it's still a very cute skirt. I'm gonna be wearing it all fall long with some cute leggings underneath. So yeah, I really like this one. I have no complaints about it. Well, I just complained, but you know what I mean. Yeah, it's a very cute skirt. What I like about this skirt is that you can dress it up, you can dress it down. It is a look. I'm very excited to see how I'll style this throughout the colder months. And last but certainly not least, we have this dress from TOPSHOP. So on the model, I don't know, like this was a gamble. I was like, it could look really good or really bad, but I was pleasantly surprised. I actually wore this the other day. It's called the mesh balloon midi dress and it was originally $75, but now it's $26.25. So that's over 50% off, a great deal. And I see myself wearing this over and over and over. It's actually pretty form-fitting, even though it looks like it's loose and flowy. I decided to get it in a size US 4 and I will definitely be keeping this one. I love it. You can wear this with the sleeves up or down. I prefer with the sleeves up, but you can dress it up, dress it down. I wore it with some Converse, but of course you can wear some heels or dress it up. I really like this one. So that concludes my haul today. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the outfits that I chose, and I hope you enjoyed the styling of my outfits. Instead of just putting them all together, I decided to pair them with other things. Tell me what store you want to see next. Once I have good sales, please. So that concludes my TOPSHOP haul. They have great sales and they occur every quarter as well, just like Zara. So I highly recommend you looking into it at the end of each season. This is a great time, as I said, to buy your winter and fall essentials before they actually are marked up in price. Highly recommend go on those sites, get your clothes, and save some coins by getting them early, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!